So this is the live example from here when we go move forward. So where should we keep our position?
On the left.
On the left, but
A meter from the curb.
yeah, a meter from the curb, a door width from the parked cars.
Yeah.
So where should we position? Look at his position. Look at his position. This is perfect position for the cars. Where was he? He was in middle.
Yeah, I was gonna say like in the middle.
Yeah, so that's the perfect position. Okay. So you understood like everything now, how you gonna turn left. You know now. So let's use this knowledge into practice now, okay? Now we're gonna use these, okay? So get ready, and when you're ready, we're gonna move off. And which routine you using to move off?
Come.
Okay. Good. Go slowly so she can come out as well. Very, very slow. Let her come out. That's fine. Good. So always signal on right when you're moving off.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. And now signal off because we don't need it. It's only to show people that we are moving from the side of the road, and then we turn it off when we don't need it. So now keep going ahead. Go a little bit faster because road is clear, no one's there, your position is fine, it's in middle. Now you're thinking for distance from the curb and distance from the parked cars. End of the road, we are turning left. So 10 cars away, we start our routine. 10th car away, okay? Remember how we're gonna do this nice and slow before the giveaway lines. Nice and slow. Angle of your car in this corner. Come in this corner. Here. Because if we go move to that side, look at that car. That's the hazard. And if we go straight, what is the danger?
The car and the tree.
Yeah. So which way we gonna come? Because there's more space.
Yeah.
Okay? Is it safe? Did you look around? Remember that I was showing you?
Yeah.
So which way we gonna move now?
We're gonna move to the left.
Okay, slowly, very slow speed. You keep moving towards that car.
Oh.
You need to be away. More, come here. Wheels more to the left. Full lock to the left and slowly come. Like this. That's it. Now, straighten your wheels. Which way we moving? Can you see the hazard?
Yeah, the car's coming.
So quickly steer to that side. Yeah, good, well done. He's going, so slow down. Let him go, then we go. Good. Keep going ahead. At the crossroad, we are turning left. So which way we keeping? Remember the distance, you and the parked cars. Move to this side. And slow down. If you keep your speed slow, you will get more control. We're turning left. Nice and slow, come to the left. Remember angling our car on the left here. We always angle our car in this corner. Keep checking, is it safe? And then turn. Which way we need to steer now? Go slowly, don't give gas here, okay? So just turn with the creep, little bit to the right. Remember your How much distance
A
we need
meter.
to keep? A meter. So if you check in your left mirror, you will see the distance.
Okay.
Little bit more to the right. Good. And then we're gonna pull up to the left, next to this big tree. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Slow down. Are you signaling? Okay. So why we need to signal?
To let people know what we're gonna do.
Good, good, good. Very, very slow. Nice and slow. Okay. We park up here. Okay, now tell me about this circle. From the start. What is the issue now? Is your signal still ticking?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the issue now? Because every new issue we need to fix.
It's to keep the distance away from the parked car that's at the top of the street. Like to make sure there's enough space for me to turn. So I need to make sure I'm more to the left
Okay.
to avoid that car.
Where is the car? End of the road or the white car?
The white car.
That was
Is
the
that-
issue.
Yeah. At the top of the junction.
So yeah. So how you gonna, if we go on that road again, how you gonna fix that issue?
By positioning myself more to the left to make sure that when I do turn, the car turns into the left side of the road.
And why
But to
on the
us-
left?
Because that's where we're signaling. But to also make sure to be a good distance away from the parked car.
Yeah. So there's enough space on the left?
Yeah.
That's why you're moving. Okay. I'm gonna ask you these questions so you can think, okay? Because I don't wanna tell you what to do. I'm gonna ask you to dig through these situations and these issues so you can give me the remedies, okay? Instead of I need to tell you. So you need to show me and tell me how you're gonna fix your problems, okay? Then this way you will think more and your driving gonna get better. Instead of me telling you, you need to tell me how you're gonna fix it. You will decide the remedy. So now you're thinking that I'm gonna move more to the left, away from the parked car, and so there's on the left there's so much space, so I can go easily, which is good remedy. Okay. Now we're gonna go out again, and we need to fix that issue on that road. Okay. So it's the position of the car. Your approach was okay, only position of the car, your car was straight. But imagine if you are going straight and there's a parked car on the front, what is the danger?
You're going to go into the parked car.
Yeah, good. Okay, now get ready and then move off. Go slow so you can gain more control on the car. Little bit more to the right because there's a parked car, this blue one. Which way you moving now?
Straight?
Which way? This side.
Yeah, this side.
Okay. Now which way are you moving?
A bit to the right because there's a parked car.
Yes. Good.
So in the middle of the road.
Good. So end of the road we are turning left. So here your speed is little bit fast, so slow down early, nice and slow. Remember the picture I was showing you, like when he slow down the red car. This is perfect. Keep creeping, keep looking. Last safety check and then turn. Good. Good steering now. Keep going ahead.